You all know who Chef Katsuya Fukushima is. You've done plenty of research about him. I'm not going to go on and belabor what he's doing today. He's freestyling in the kitchen, a la Mediterranean Arab, medieval Spanish, whatever. Thank you for coming. And this is my class. Hello, class. Hello. You can just call them you.
So that's cauliflower couscous. I fell in love with cooking when I was in college, actually, and I hated college. But I should just go turn in my homework, come back, and I lived with 4 girls at the time. So I would set up the table. I'll do like a porched out menu when they got home, and I mean, I was happy.
You were trying to impress the girls.
No. Well, kind of, but good food, good company. I mean, there's nothing like it, you know. Food just brings people together. Cooking is still cooking. It's about sensibility and what's available around you. And I mean, what's around you is important. The people around you is important, and what you do with is special. Last one, olives. Take some black olives and some green olives, knowing that the black ones are better. Put them in a jar, add salt and thyme, cover with oil of good quality. They are preserved so they can be eaten as occasions arises. We have this olives that are put through a juicer. This is water with sodium alginate, a type of seaweed. This is Virginia water. And then you wait like 45 seconds.
This is basically my lab rig.
And then you marinate them in the oil just like the rest of the sauce. Here, you put it in your mouth, and it'll explode and turn into liquid.
I just eat it?
Yeah.
Do we just eat it all at once?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, put it right in. It's an olive ball.
What?
How is it?
It's good. Explosion.
Yeah. It's very like, it's like stronger than